Hello, my name is Kai Chittenden and this is my NEA testing video for my orbital space debris simulator. So first of all we're going to start with the login page. I will click play and let's say I try to log in with a username that's not currently in the database. For example, person 1. It will ask me to input a password. I'll put in password. As you can see, it failed because we do not have anyone registered under that username. So if I register this person 1, input a password, let's just go password. They have now been registered and we can now log in. So person 1, password. This uses a custom hashing algorithm. So as you can see, we now have a nice little introduction. Click any key. I'm now going to test the zoom, which is the scroll wheel. As you can see, the object has rendered successfully. The Earth is in the center with small little dots orbiting around it, which are based on the size of the piece of debris or orbiting body. So I'm going to scroll in and out. As you can see, that works quite well. It's not too jittery, it's smooths out towards the end. And if I use the arrow keys, I can orbit around the Earth, as so. Now going to test the object selection. So if you click on one of these little pluses, each one of them is an object. So and this is the Nokia 3310, known for being pretty durable, so I put it in space. If you click D, as it says just at the bottom of here, you can edit the live information. So if I click D, I can change the altitude, the inclination, or the eccentricity. So for now, I'm going to change the inclination from 57 degrees to, let's go for 85 degrees. You might not be able to see it, but this orbit right here is the Nokia orbit, and it has changed. Used to be more equatorial. If you click on it, if you click slash, you can add a new object. So if I make a new object called rocket 1, you now have some default information that I have just set arbitrarily, which you can then edit by using the same key D to sort through them. On the topic of the information page, here is another satellite. If you click tab, you can cycle through the database of current satellites. So you have Tesla Roadster, Nokia, Rocket 1, ISS, all of that kind of stuff. And if you click K, you can sort it by name. So it's now all in name from A to Z. Or if you click J, you can sort it by size. So you have the visual size just here, and it sorts it by size. This uses a custom bubble sort I made. If we go out of this, if we click W, it shows everything as a wireframe, making it easier to see objects. For example, this one over here on the other side of the planet that would normally be blocked out by the planet, as shown. That is my testing video. Yeah, that's it. I also added some custom recursive star generation out on the edge. As you can see, it is working smoothly. It generated each star based on the probability in real life of similar stars existing in space, really. Yes. If you click O, as I will do now, you can see all the orbits will disappear, all the orbital lines. If you click N, the names will appear, and if you click P, a little Easter egg I made pops up where this star length changes based on how far zoomed in or zoomed out you are. This is a nod to Star Wars hyperdrive. Just thought it'd be fun to add in a little Easter egg. That is my testing video, all done. No, it's not. If I click the open square bracket, you can increase or decrease the orbital speed. So if I click the the closed square bracket, you can see everything speeds up. As you can see at the top here, it tells you your live speed. Whereas if I click the open square bracket, it then slows down. That is my testing video. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.